May 4th, 2016, pre-owned BMW 50 Evolution here. We check this machine out. 0.0005 indicator. You go here on the board and drive the table, the center point of the table here. We do this too. You see this? We use a 0.0005 inch indicator. That's what we use. The machine is still in DIN tolerance, so any questions, feel free to give us a call. Visit us in Wisconsin, EuropeanMachineTool.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.